is our VM151 rear drop snack vendor.
Turn the two keys and raise the lid. This unit has 9 coils as well as 10 side racks. When loading the unit, some products may need to lean to the side. Some products fit just perfectly. But make sure that all products are in between the coil and on the floor and not on top of the coil. Since products vary from many different sizes and shapes, you must try different products to find what works best for you. To retrieve the change, turn the two keys and remove the change box. In the event of a jammed coin mechanism, first remove the change box. Place all 5 pins back into the top of the coin mechanism as if you're setting the price to 0. Then turn the knob till it pops open. To remove the coin mechanism, make sure all the pins are in the coin mech. Turn the knob all the way around to a 6 o'clock position. Then pull the bottom loop of the coil over off the back of the coin mechanism and up. Loosen the 2 screws on the top and remove the 2 screws from the back. To replace the coin mechanism, reposition the new coin mech into the hole and tighten the 2 screws on the top. Then reinsert the 2 screws on the back. Reinsert the coil. Place the crossbar down to the back of the coin mechanism. Push into position. Then turn the coin mechanism till it pops open. Remember to remove the pins to reset your prices. When setting prices for every slot you intend to use, you have to remove a blank tab and a pin. For every slot you do not intend to use, you have to add a tab and add a pin. This is our VM251 mechanical drink vendor. This machine can be combined with our VM151 snack vendor as well as our VM010 coin changer. When mounting the VM151 snack vendor, there are 4 pre-drilled holes in the top of our drink vendor. For mounting our 010 coin changer, there are 4 pre-drilled holes on the side of the drink vendor for the change machine. Locate your keys in the push door of the drink vendor. Insert the key in the slot of the lock. turn counterclockwise several times until open. This unit has 3 columns to accommodate 12-ounce cans, as well as 3 columns for bottles, 2 columns for 20-ounce, 1 column for up to 16-ounce. When loading the can column, take the 12-ounce can, position it sideways down the column until full. When loading the bottle column, open the front door, then the rear door, and load the rear first, cap to the back until full. Close the door, then load the front. For the 20-ounce column, follow the same procedure. Make sure the cap is to the back. Use the same method for all 3 columns. After loading, remember to place 1 item from each column in the front window for display. To set the prices, first remove the coin box. To set the prices of our coin mechanism, align the 2 arrows and let it pop out. These coin mechanisms will accept up to $2 using 8 quarters. Every slot that you are going to use for a coin, you must remove a blockout pin as well as a blockout tab. When setting prices for denominations that contain nickels and dimes, you must use a nickel and dime insert. When using a nickel insert, place the nickel insert in one of the quarter slots and push down until it snaps. Use the same procedure when using a dime insert. In the event of a jammed coin mechanism, first look under the coin mech to see if there are any jammed coins in the drop-off point. With needle nose pliers, you must remove any jammed coins before you can continue your turn. Another way of unjamming a coin mechanism is by placing all 8 pins in the coin mech like you're setting it for a free vend. Then you can turn the knob until it pops open. To remove or replace the coin mechanism, first make sure all pins are in the top of the coin mech. Then remove the nut on the left-hand side of the connecting rod. Then remove the rod from the lever. Turn the rod counterclockwise until it comes out. Then remove the top and bottom screws. Then turn the coin mechanism to about a 3 o'clock position and pull the coin mech out sideways. To replace the coin mechanism, make sure the knob is in and at a 3 o'clock position. Place the rod back into the arm, then slide the arm through the hole and pivot the coin mechanism in sideways. Put the screws back in to the top and bottom. Next, turn the knob till it pops open. When connecting the rod to the lever, make sure the lever is down and you screw the rod clockwise until it is about a quarter of an inch above the hole. Then lift the lever and place the rod. Fasten the nut on the edge of the screw. Screw it only until the back end of the screw is flush with the back of the nut. Then load the column and you're ready to vend.